everyone. If you've been following this channel for a while, you may remember it as IWA Kitchen. Well, we're entering a new chapter now. IWA Kitchen is officially becoming the 5 element kitchen. So, a little bit about, my beginnings with this channel. IWA Kitchen um, was started as a place where I could share recipes and my love of nourishing, plant-based food. And over time, my professional work, my interests, my values, my perception and understanding of what is nourishing has all grown. It's grown from um, my professional career growing and learning more and diving deeper into what I love, which is Eastern medicine and TCM, or traditional Chinese medicine. And as an acupuncturist, as a practitioner of Eastern medicine and traditional Chinese medicine, I wanted a space where I could bring all of these things that I love and have been learning and have been using uh, professionally all together. So, here on 5 Element Kitchen, we're going to talk about those things basically: traditional Chinese medicine, Eastern medicine, acupuncture, food therapy, which is really where, all of this started, was my love of food therapy. And of course, the 5 elements and using the 5 elements in different areas of your life, especially in food. Um, Also, we're going to talk about recipes, lifestyle, and modern research, which are also things that I enjoy and that I love teaching and educating people in, and especially where traditional wisdom and that modern science meet. So, with all of those things, sometimes we'll be in the kitchen cooking, and sometimes we'll be right here in the clinic talking about acupuncture, TCM, and other wonderful traditional medical things. And sometimes we'll just sit down with a research paper, some tea, and actually break down what the science says about these things. So, if you've been here since the IWA Kitchen days, thank you. Thank you so much for sticking around. And if you're new here, welcome. This is 5 Element Kitchen, and I'm really excited about what's coming next.